In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your Zillow Premier Agent account, 2026 guide. Because Premier Agent accounts are tied to advertising contracts, billing cycles, and lead generation data, there isn't a simple delete button in the dashboard. Closing your account is a manual process handled by Zillow's professional support team. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so your account is deactivated securely and for good. First, sign into your Zillow Premier Agent account on a desktop or mobile browser. Once you're in, head to your main dashboard and look for account settings. If you don't immediately see it, the help or support area in the dashboard will point you in the right direction. Using a desktop can make navigation easier and make sure you're logged into the correct professional profile before you proceed. Next, reach out to Premier Agent Support. Since there's no direct deletion option, this is where the process officially begins. In the dashboard, open the Help Center or click Contact Us to see your options. You'll typically connect with support by email or phone, and in many cases, you'll be directed to a dedicated account manager. Keep your communication clear and concise so your request can be routed quickly. Prepare your deactivation request with the essentials they'll need. Clearly state that you want to permanently close or deactivate your Premier Agent account. Include the full name on the account, the email address associated with it, and your agent ID if you have it. Providing these details up front helps support verify ownership without unnecessary back and forth. You can also mention any active advertising or contract identifiers so they know exactly what to review. From there, Zillow support will guide you through identity verification to ensure you're the authorized account holder. Expect to answer a few security questions or confirm specific account details. After they submit the termination on their end, allow a few business days for your closure to propagate across Zillow's systems. During this period, keep an eye on your inbox in case they request additional information. Finally, watch for a confirmation email stating that your Premier Agent account is fully deactivated. Review it carefully. You should also receive a final billing statement confirming that any recurring advertising spend or share of voice contracts are canceled. If anything looks off, reply to the same support thread and ask for clarification in writing so you have a complete paper trail. And that's it. Following these steps ensures your professional data is handled securely while your account is closed the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.